How to use image blocks in Squarespace. So in order to use them, first head over to your actual Squarespace and click on this edit site. Into this, you can just hover to any part that you want to add those image blocks. Let me head over and add in here another image. So click on this add block. Then in here you can see under the basic is the image. You can just drag and drop them wherever you want to put it. I'll put it right around here. Now click on this plus icon in order to add an image to that. You can upload your file locally. You can select from library or you can also browse stock images. Let me head over and then just browse some stock images that I can use. You can see in here a number of them that you can actually utilize. Let's add this. Click on this add image. And then after that, that image shall be added right there. So as you can see, it's now been added. And if you want to edit it, you can click onto this image block again. Click onto this options right here for edit. You can also add links, change its layout, pin it, and the likes. You can use some things in here as well if you would want to. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.